In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the dash cam from Thinkware. This is the Thinkware F790 Dash Cam. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to DIY Reed. My name is Reed, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I cover a range of topics, including tech reviews, home automation, and how-to videos for both home and automotive. In today's video, we're going to be taking a close look at the Thinkware F790 Dash Cam. By the end of this video, I will have answered the following questions. How much does this cost? What are the key features? What's in the box? Some sample footage during the daytime and nighttime. What does the smartphone app look like? And my final thoughts. Hopefully, by the end of this video, you'll be able to decide if this dash cam is for you. The Thinkware F790 single camera dash kit retails for about $170. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out, as well as the current pricing. I said single dash cam because that's what it is, and that's what we're looking at today. Now, the F790 lineup, you can utilize the Thinkware's multiplexer box, which allows you to add up to 4 more cameras. These include side view cameras, external rear camera, and an internal rear camera. The F790 model allows you to use indoor rear camera without the added multiplexer box, but is not included in the $170 price. The F790 boasts a sleek and compact form factor, ensuring that it won't obstruct your view while you're driving. Its minimalist design seamlessly blends with your car's interior. It is a perfect blend of style and functionality. As far as the features on this dash cam, it is a full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second, 140-degree wide-angle lens with de-warping video technology so that you don't get the fisheye lens look. Super Night Vision 3.0 to help with the low-light video. unparalleled quad-core CPU. Built-in dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. And GPS. 𝐥𝐸𝐬𝐶 format for higher compression of video to keep the sizes smaller. A super capacitor, integrated thermal protection, parking surveillance mode that allows for motion and impact detection, time-lapse, and energy saving mode. Those all require the hardware kit for that. It does have PC viewing software for Windows and Mac OS, and supports microSD card up to 128 gigabytes. The installation is pretty easy. You need to make sure you find a spot on the windshield and clean it with a window cleaner. Now, while you're at it, go ahead and clean your whole windshield. When was the last time you did that? For me, I can't even think of it. So might as well do that. Once you find where you're going to put it and the windshield is clean, you're going to peel off the top of the double sticky tape and press it firmly on the windshield. Now, hold your hand and press firmly for a couple seconds to make sure that it's a good bond. Now all you need to do is decide where you're going to run your power cable, whether that's you're going to hardwire it to your fuse box, or if you're going to run it to a 12-volt outlet. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at what comes in the box. Here's all that you get in the box. You have the dash cam right there. We'll look at that in a second. You have looks like a big, thick quick start guide and warranty book. This is actually, I say quick start guide, but that's pretty thick. You also have an installation guide right here. Just kind of explains that you can detach the actual dash cam from the mount. You have customer service information right here. You have the power cord, and it looks like you can connect a rear camera to it as well. But the main one is right here, and it plugs into a cigarette lighter. I'm sure you can, then they provide you an SD card or a micro SD card with the SD card adapter, 16 gigs. Here is a replacement 3M double sticky tape. And then you have a dash cam right here. So you have the 3M double sticky tape there. Protector on the lens here. Looks like some sort of LED light with the name and brand there. The actual camera will move so that way you can position it the way you need it. On the bottom here, you have a power, well, it's upside down actually here. Looks like you have a speaker, a format button, a Wi-Fi button, a microphone button, power button, record button. And then down here it says 2-channel, full HD for both, and digital recorder. And then unlock slider here. So you can unlock this, and as you can see here, this dash cam will remove from its mount. So that way if you want to remove it, I don't know, I guess if you're going to leave your vehicle somewhere and you don't want it attached, you can remove it if you want to. Here's what a lot of you have been waiting for. Let's go ahead and take a look at video footage during the daytime and nighttime to get the quality of the video that you're going to get. Now let's go ahead and take a quick look at the app. I'm going to do this inside my vehicle because you actually have to be near the device to connect to its Wi-Fi because it will produce a Wi-Fi signal. Okay, so here is the app, and right now it just says it's connected, so we're going to live view. You can do a live view of what you're seeing, or at least the dash cam seeing. This is what it's seeing. Kind of shows you a little bit about it, time and everything like that. So go back here, and now we got dash cam settings, dash cam information. We can go to kind of a timeline of all the files that's going on here. And then go back to the cam. So in dash cam settings, you have memory card settings where you're allowing to format it. Include recording in continuous mode, motion detection recording. You can turn on and off all those different types of settings. You can do camera settings. Right now I have it mid brightness, one channel. I don't have a rear camera. Brightness rear, I don't have that set up. Video out, don't have that set up, or mirror out. Then I have record settings. And so this allows me to change all the different settings, like the super night vision. I have it in just in parking mode. HDR is disabled currently because I was doing testing. Privacy recording disabled, parking mode, all this. You can set all the sensitivity, battery protection, everything else in here. You can do all of that information in here. Wintertime battery protection, you can set the time when it's wintertime. Under system settings, you can set up how many cameras. Well, right now it's one camera, ADAS, system, security LEDs disabled, daylight savings time, time zone, speed stamp, turn it on and off, voice recording on and off, and what Wi-Fi band that you're on. We'll go back here, and then we'll go back one more, and then underneath dash cam information, it just shows you all the information, GPS connected, firmware version, all that, and then you can delete the device if you want to. One thing to note, in the timeline, it is on the SD card, so you can take the SD card and put it somewhere else as well. But this is allowing us to, we can do impact, anything like parking recording, SOS, all of it. Right now we go to all of it from the front camera, and we can list them all in here and see which ones we want to download and download to your phone or email or send anywhere you want. Here are my final thoughts on the Thinkware F790 Dash Cam. I've reviewed quite a few dash cams in the last couple of years, and Thinkware has always come to mind as a brand when you're thinking about dash cams. This is the first one I've had a chance to review, and I have to say I really like it. The installation is easy as always, and the dash cam basically disappears behind my rearview mirror. It detects when a vehicle is in an accident, and sometimes when you hit a hard bump in the road, especially if you're driving down the bumpy roads like I do in Missouri. They're not exactly the greatest. Now, once the dash cam detects that there's a bump or an impact or accident, it will all automatically put it in the time frame there, so you can go ahead and quickly go back and review it without having to sift through the times. Overall, I'll say I'm impressed with what you get for $170 and the options that you can add to this dash cam. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like and feel free to ask any questions in the comments down below. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, and home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching.